Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tafari with MCA video today, and I'm going to show you guys today's one of the benefits. It's the lockout service. So as you can see, I'm completely locked out. Take it to the passenger side, locked out. And I'm going to call. I got the gear on today. I'm actually going to call them, and they're going to bring their service over. I'm going to hit you guys with another video later so you guys can see how the benefits work. And I'm actually going to record them. I don't know if you can see the key inside there, but I'm actually going to call them and then make another update video, crop it out, So what MCA does is they basically pay or cover another service to come and do the unlock service for you guys. So I think they're coming up about right now. Like I said, they pay for your local lockout company, whichever one's available. I think you got it.
Yeah. Hey, key.